Yung legal opinion actually binibigay natin. Pag humihingi ng advice on legal matter, kahit yung pagsabi lang ng verbally, that is already considered, di ba, as legal opinion. Hinihingi yung pananaw mo, opinion mo sa isang bagay, and on a legal matter. And nakita ko itong draft ng legal opinion sa website ng DAR. So, government offices provide legal opinion. Depende, ano yung format, ano ba yung form ng legal opinion? Usually, based on what we did during the bar exams and what I see sa mga government offices, yung legal opinion nila is through the form of a letter. Pero ang premise dyan, may isang tao, for example, ARB, humingi ng lumapit sa inyo, nagkwento, or pwedeng nagsulat, tapos dinetalye, ano yung facts involved, facts, ano yung issue, papasok din yung facts, issue and naghihingi siya ng opinion or pananaw ng isang tao, ng taga-DAR, kung ano yung legal na, or dapat na gawin in accordance with the law. Ito, hindi siya ARB, hindi ito ABA, I just got this sample from, pero ARB, not ABA related. As stated, your query is prompted by the recommendation of the legal section DAR, Regional Office Number 8, Tacloban City, to grant more than 5 hectares of agricultural land to the landowner, petitioner citing AO03-85 series of 1985 as basis of such grant. As alleged, the said award of 5.0253 hectare of agricultural land to the landowner is within tolerable retention limit allowed by law. Your query is whether or not, yun yung buod ng kanyang sulat. The grant of more than 5 hectares of agricultural land as retention area of the landowner is within the contemplation of the 10% tolerable limit provided for under the said administrative order. DAR had already previously opined that MAR AO number 3 series of 1985 cannot be made to apply on the retention limit of a landowner provided under CAR. The pertinent proportions or provisions of the aforementioned DAR legal opinions are as follows. DAR opinion number 30 series of 1997, applying the above provision of the subject matter at hand, we submit that MAR AO number 3 series of 1985 cannot be made to apply on the retention limit of a landowner provided under the CAR. The reason is that the mandate of the law is clear to distribute CAR-covered lands to the landless or to qualified farmer beneficiaries who have the aptitude, willingness, and ability to make said lands as productive as possible. So yun. Meron pa siyang second opinion na sinay. After that, the policy set forth above is clearly in accord with the provisions of Section 6 and 73, which limit the maximum retention. In light of the foregoing, we would like to reiterate our opinion that the term tolerable applies only to the farmer beneficiaries and cannot be made to apply the retention limit of the landowner as provided under Public Act 6657. Thank you for communicating with us and to clarify with you. Yung opinion naman ay opinion lang, di ba? So, hindi ibig sabihin na yung opinion ay tama, hindi ibig sabihin na yung opinion ay mali, di ba? So, nagbigay ka ng opinion to help convince yung tao na lumapit sa iyo para makadesisyon sa isang legal na issue. And mas maganda or importante sa pagbibigay ng opinion ay dapat hindi yung bigla-bigla. Yeah? Hindi bigla-bigla. If you are not ready to provide legal opinion, lumapit sa inyo, tapos you are not sure kung ano yung tamang sagot sa katanungan, pwede naman you defer that di ba? Kaysa naman magbigay ka ng maling sagot. And yung lumapit sa inyo ay naniwala, mali pala, so yun. Maling akala. Hindi, kung in case of doubt, mas mabuti na sigurado, di ba? Research, background, and kahit nga siguro yung itong nagbigay ng legal opinion, actually hindi sigurado siya, hindi ito yung nag-research, diba? May mga tauhan naman yan, pero the legal staff who gave this opinion or basis to USEC, nag-research yan. Yeah, nag-research. Ang problema, kung we're not ready, we're not sure of the opinion we give kasi hindi tayo nag-research, baka yun yung paniwalaan, and yung ARB, pumirma na ng kontrata. Di ba? Kasi ito yung sabi ng taga-DAR eh. Oo. Pwede na daw yan, pirmahan, kahit hindi nabasahin yung contract. Allowed naman ng law. So, yun. Baka pwede pa tayo mabalikan eventually. So, yun.